Hi, in this video I will show you how to convert English date to Hindi date in Excel without formula. This is very easy and pretty simple. You just need to select those dates. Control C copy and Control V paste. And then press Control 1 or right click and go to the format cells. And here you need to in the location you need to select Hindi, or you can just simply type HINDI Hindi. You will automatically reach to the Hindi. And here you can see the type of your date format. Here you can select the choice of your Hindi date. I'm selecting here and then OK. And here you can see that the English dates has been converted into Hindi. So I hope this video helpful to you. Thanks for watching.